What? Of the world, it's not a plan. You know who it is. Franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know when I come for represent, you don't know a full effect thing. You know it go already? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. I'm the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Hey, watch this. I'm the most electrifying man for YouTube entertainment business. What? First and foremost, I want to say R.I.P. to Touch and all I'm family. You know what I mean? Condolence goes out to the fullest. You know them man, they are true born reggae legend. You see what I deal with? So, respect of the Jew, you see what I deal with? And at the same time, I say R.I.P. to Beenie Man mother, and condolence goes out to him and all I'm family. Because when it all is said and done, you know, say, woman are the mother of the earth, you know what I mean? A man couldn't be there without a woman. So you hear what? Condolence, doctor. You see what I deal with? And I hope they can find the peace in your soul, same way as a living person, because you know it go when a man loses his mother. You see what I deal with? And I know gimmicks thing. But here we go on now, Gaza Nation. Right now, I see be a lollipop thing. I go on the internet, and the reason why, you know, I'm a man really to deal with fractal business, not gimmicks business. But the reason why I'm a man have to represent because you know, say, well then a Gaza name I call and the world boss name I call. And me already make you know already, say me is not a blogger. Me a revolutionist Gaza with my mouth on YouTube international business. Where you know another gimmicks business me that one. You see what I say? So right about now, you know, a big fractal thing me see a go on. You know what I mean? Me see it look like the man them a wear some big drawers with around 3 stay free maxi pie night. You see what I deal with? Because that's what I see a go on the internet. You know what I mean? Yo, first and foremost, you know, if me if you come out on the internet and tell us to the amount of boy will come and claim say I send me threat and them shit there. The man do them things that I'm not dead with laugh, man. I read that I'm dead with laughing, my brother. You know what I mean? Yo, if you can't manage entertainment thing, you know, if you leave the internet, that means it's not fair, my brethren. I don't know, gimmicks business. You know what I mean? You can't manage entertainment thing, leave the internet, it's not fair. I don't know, joking. Whether you're a blogger, artist, or them shit there, because you hear what the internet open up for public discussion. You see what I deal with, and criticism.
Going back and forth.
You know what I mean? That means if you can't manage them things, they leave off of the internet, you're not supposed to depend on it. Nobody not supposed to say nothing for hurt you like that. Because if a boy come and tell me certain things on the internet, what I not like. And him represent vendetta. I'm going to make you know him represent vendetta, but alkaline have nothing to do with that. Just like how CV as a man a check name and him a talk about and not him send vybz cartel for chop up people in a jail, shit bucket, number 2 cell, this, that. All kind of hypocrisy my chat. All that them things that we are talk about, man. Them shit not relevant, my brother. You sound like a waste man when you do that, my brother. When I talk to the boy where I check me here, yeah? I make him know say you want to face him. You want him to square off one-on-one then. If I so be the case and it hurt you that much. You know what I mean? Because right now I don't see all the man are threatening and I don't see all vybz cartel come in it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Him represent Gaza. But cartel not send him come threaten me, my brother. And even if you call cartel name, you tell the people them say, yeah, a vybz cartel him I represent for, Gaza I represent for. But not chat like you well then, yeah, vybz cartel in something personal. Come seriously believe the vybz cartel and know you're my brethren. You and the guy that never say eye to eye yet. Man never say nothing to you yet. You know what I mean? Differently from on YouTube business. You remember, you know, a Gaza you used to black fire, you know. And you never get the ratings where you want and you leave, you know, my brethren. And go to MVP, you know. That's why I do what you do for MVP, because all when it's said and done, it's all entertainment. But when I sooner go out like this, I have to wonder what I do, you know. You know what I mean? There's something really seriously wrong with you, know. Boy now tell me to send me my address, make him come fix me up. Boy say him gonna box me down. Boy say all kind of shit boy tell me him do. But me not have to tell nobody my business. Why you think me walk the street and do all the video? Because I'm not afraid, my brethren. The second job I do in America, you know, at the UPS me I work for, you know, as an armed guard, you know. You know what I work on? I work on the valid truck. You know what name, sir? The truck where carry the gold and diamond go JFK to the fucking airport. And every morning an armed guard have to dep on it. You know why I'm not really too hold on the work there? I can't take for sit down and I drive up so long and I know me I drive. I'm not too light that shit, that's a boring shit to me. You see what I deal with? I let me tell you something, to be an armed guard, you have to go take 8-hour class, 16-hour class, 24-hour class. All when you do them things there, you still have to go pass the test. Then you get your service ticket. Then you have to go apply for your license from the state of Albany and them shit there. Then you go buy your machine when you get your license. Because nobody think to you hear me say use an armed guard, you think it's a man machine you go use or a company machine. You have to go buy your machine, my brother. Then I say you're going to make $45 an hour, or you think you're going to make that? Eh? So when you see me walk on the street, dog, and boy, I tell me this and that on the internet, you better pray that day when you talk about that, I don't feel like walk with it. I get paid for bust it till my trigger finger sprain. Me make shot rasa arrestable till you think I rain. You see what I deal with? But I don't walk and establish them shit and I go like this. I already make you know say America this different place from Jamaica. A level playing field this. I don't watch what boy I say. When I represent for Gaza, I represent to the fullest. A music thing I deal with. You see what I deal with? I deal with the same thing like what Uno Vendetta blogger deal with. Uno want beat down Gaza, I beat down Vendetta too, man. But that I do, man. Sledgehammer upon them head top, man. I want me to you, man. But about that Billy said that consistent in my personal life, you take it personal. You know what I mean? I talk all kind of things where not even relevant. Because I hear you say, the man them hype up themselves for man who are murder or a chap. You ever see the man commit a murder there? You can prove it. You can prove that the man commit a murder there. Right now you don't have nothing to go after than where the justice system bring out. But that's all, and it's not credible. Because all kind of shit go on in the case. Yo, CV, if you watch yourself too, you know, because you're a big man, you know, that. Watch how you're talking, you know. If you're a big man, you're supposed to talk and use an analyst, you know, what have people listen to you, you know, my virgin. You have to read, you can't make people make you feel like so well then you can get to an ignorant point till you can just talk dark and stupid and I talk for earth everybody when not even concern your business, you know, my brother. Whatever in your business, you know. Because all of them crap the way I chat about vybz cartel, it never even necessary, you know, my brother. Deal with the boy who are threatening you, you know, because he might threaten you, you know. Lupe come on a man live, you know, and I tell the man them, you know, say you are look for me, you know. Me not violate you, but me I make him know, say if you can't find me, him for come. Because him a tell me that, him never tell me, you never tell me nothing. You know what I mean? yo, I'm not really too deal with gimmicks, you know, my brother. You know what I mean? And for you look a lollipop thing when I deal with, I'm not too into them type of thing there, you know. And though I soon I go on, you know, right now I'm not even like the vibes, you know. Bumbuckler, now go into that story on the left heart. I'm a bumbuckler mask, man. So I buy a mask now, you know, I'm not even want, you know. I'm not full of mask. I never want a mask. I want a blood clot kerchief. Yeah, I'm no general. Let me get that Jamaican kerchief, that bad man. Why are you seller, sir? You the right, sir, my brother, you know, answer me. Are you seller, sir?
Oh, no, I think you're talking on the phone.
Talk on this phone, man. I want to hear, man. I do that, man. Let me get that kerchief there.
Which one?
The black and white one. Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
I think you're talking on the phone.
How much?
$2. Sorry about that, bro.
Respect, yeah?
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, man. You see me I deal with Gaza Nation. You know what I mean? If your skin so thin enough to leave off of the internet, my brother, stop act like some big crotches girl with some big drawers with 2 stay-free maxi pie night. I saw now behave. You know what I mean? I don't know gimmicks business. You know what I mean? Them shit they are not for man. And them shit that when I hear CV I talk about and all of them shit that you can't do them things the CV. If all of them shit that when you talk about Jaden Chase, you know, and you talk about you know people in a certain field, you know you have ISIS link and all them shit, you know. You don't know if you do that, you condemn yourself for life, man. Where you want to run past 6'9" and be one of the biggest snitcher on the internet, or where you want to race him for that position there. You nah do that, my brother. So you don't chat crap what you nah do. You see me? So if you nah do them shit, you don't know what more about that. Because that itself, it come like a threatening, you're threatening the man said way. And the way you're threatening the man, and not even rude boy style, a girl attitude that. You see what I deal with? So when you not come out and attack, watch when you attack, say my virgin. You know what I mean? Because when you don't attack for fans them, listen and look good enough and look good to them, you know. When you think about intelligent people, well, listen what come out on them out. Eh? Or when you think about some man when a too into certain type of system, and listen and hear what come out of your mouth. Yo, when you keep the thing entertainment, my virgin. Because at the end of the day, that a go on. I entertain you and entertain people. You don't want no violence now, you don't want no vibes business. I know that personally. Because you don't look like no youth who can manage no vibes business. That's what I deal with. Although it never too late for a shower or rain, but you know grow that way then, my brother. And if it's not in you, it does not in you. Although a man can make up a mind and do anything at all. But when you talk about them shit there, if it's not in you, it's not in you, my brother. Because you not do them things there. You know what I mean? You never go to jail for beat down somebody, stab up somebody, chop up somebody, and cut up somebody, my brother. Much as you shoot somebody, you know, stop on a lollipop thing, you know, my virgin, and stop act like who is not, you know, and stop make people drive on out on no character, you know. Eh? Why you think I make sure I go hardcore? Why you think I don't have no fancy about me? Why you think I can't sit down on my computer and run up my thumbnail and do what I do? I don't want that, I don't need that. I have to be my true self. You see what I deal with? So when I represent I do have a lollipop thing, you know what I mean? And even if man violate me and I defend myself with my mouth on YouTube, international business, the people them know me that are some act in a real life. I don't have no gimmicks thing. They ain't no shaky about man business. And I be a shaky thing me soon I chat about and I go like who no want props feet. Yo, Gaza Nation, are the general, you know, the 10-star one. I represent. What? Yo, Gaza way. There ain't no other way. 10-star. Jenna. Watch.